In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor an RSS feed and make with the Watch RSS Feed Items module. We're going to set up a simple, reliable way to pull new items from an RSS feed into your scenario, test the connection, and save your work so you're ready to build on it later. If you already have a scenario where you want to bring in RSS data, start by opening that scenario. This keeps everything organized and lets you connect the feed to whatever you're already automating. Once your scenario is open, add a new module by clicking the plus button. This is how you attach new functionality to your workflow. In the module search field that appears, type RSS. You'll see a list of options related to RSS feeds. Choose the module called Watch RSS Feed Items. This module listens for new or updated items in a feed and sends them into your scenario so you can use the titles, links, publication dates, and other fields downstream. Now, enter the feed URL. This should be the direct link to the site's RSS or Atom feed. Many blogs and news sites publish an RSS link in their footer or on a dedicated page. You can often confirm it by opening the URL in your browser. You should see a structured XML or feed preview. Make sure the URL is accessible without a login and that it's the correct feed for the content you want. If you're unsure, check the site's help page or look for a small RSS icon that links to the right address. After pasting the feed URL into the module's field, click OK to confirm the configuration. This saves the settings for this module within the scenario and prepares it for testing. Before building anything else, run a quick test. Click Run Once. This executes your scenario in a manual test mode and asks the RSS module to fetch the most recent items from the feed. Give it a moment to pull the data. When the run completes, open the module's output to check the data. You should see one or more bundles with fields like title, link, summary or content, publication date, and possibly author or categories, depending on the feed. Verify that the titles look correct, links open the right pages, and dates make sense. If you don't see any items or you get an error, double-check the feed URL, ensure the site's feed is live, and try again. If everything looks good, click Save. This locks in your configuration so you won't lose your changes. You now have a working RSS watcher feeding clean, structured items into your scenario, ready for whatever actions you want to add next.